I want to talk about medical stores now, right? Or as people in India call it, chemist. Right? It's only when you go out of India that you realize how wrong it is. Because I was in London and asked my friend, I said, buddy, is there a chemist around? He's like, what do you want? I'm like, medicines? From a chemist? I'm like, yeah. He's like, chemist is a dude holding hydrochloric acid in one hand and hydrogen dioxide in the other hand. How is he going to give you medication? And then you realize it's actually called a pharmacy. Okay, it's pharmacy. It's not like chemist. No, it's a pharmacy. Say it, it has more gravitas. It's pharmacy. Like growing up, I'd get really excited because you'd see the name of the pharmacy and below that it would be written chemist and druggist. I'm like, wow! Really? That's amazing. I can get crocin and cocaine at the same place. Wow. I love the names that all the pharmacies have nowadays, right? Like there was this pharmacy called Wellness Forever. You guys see that? Wellness Forever chemist. This sounds like a fucking spa, right? Wellness Forever. Yeah, can I get a Lomotil and a fish pedicure, please? Every pharmacy is fancy, right? You don't just get medication there. Medicines are all the way over at the back. You enter, there's ice cream. You walk in, there's cold drink. Then there's wafers, there's chips, there's chocolate, there's hair dryer, hair straightener, steam iron, face steamer. And you're like, what the fuck is happening? They do right? Like, excuse me, can I get diabetes medicine? Oh, ice cream. Then you realize they are selling you the cure and the cause. But my favorite part of the chemist is actually the guy who stands behind the counter, right? Because abroad, pharmacies are very strict. They will not give you medication without a prescription. In India, the guy behind the counter gives you prescription. Have you seen how confident he is? Even my doctor will ask me about my symptoms a few times. Like, when is it happening? Morning, evening? How often is it? Not this guy. Not the guy behind the counter. Like, you go to him like, sir, mera sir, namoxin. Sir, mera pet mein apoxin. Sir, meri pet mein dialoxin. Fucking confident, right? And yet, I have complete faith in him. I have complete faith in a guy whose only qualification is that he knows where the medicines are kept. It's true, right? Never been to medical school, but he knows where they're kept. But why wouldn't you trust him? He's the only guy who can decipher a doctor's prescription. Have you seen that shit? How do they write like that? It almost looks like it was written in the middle of an earthquake. Like he was writing it and then... This one time I had a really bad case of the loosies. So I didn't want to go to the doctor because the doctor would tell me that I have loosies, which I already know. I didn't want to Google my symptoms because then I have cancer. Google anything you fucking want. It always ends with cancer. Right? So I just walked to the pharmacy and I was like, boss, mera pet kharab hai. And he gave me this pill called Full Stop. Full Stop. You know? I'm like, sir, mera pet kharab hai, grammar nahi. But medications have really funny names, right? I saw a contraceptive pill. You know what the name was? Unwanted 72. Unwanted, take it away, get out. I'm like, how can you be so cruel to something that's not even born yet? Couldn't the guys at Unwanted 72 come up with something a little less harsh? Like Honest Mistake 72. Or Why Didn't I Pull Out in Time 72? Or Condom Was Torn 72. You know, why unwanted? You know, I can almost imagine their logo being the picture of a fetus with a middle finger in front of it. Then there was a pregnancy test. You know what that was called? Prega News. How the fuck is it news? It's news if you want a whole family knowing about it. Look, uncle, I made baby. Great, that's news. But if you're single and you see that thin pink line, it's not news, man. It's gossip. They should have a new variant called Prega Tabloid. Right? It'll be the midday of pregnancy tests. Now how does this shit work? So the girl goes, uses it, and suddenly you can hear Rajesh Sharma's voice. Namaskar. प्रेगा न्यूज में आपका स्वागत है. पिछले महीने किए गए पाप के कारण इस महीने आप बाप बनने वाले हैं. But my favorite part, right? My favorite part is when you walk to the pharmacy and you have that amazing display of condoms. What's your name, buddy? Rahul, do you go to a medical store often? You don't. It's all control. to meet me outside and teach me how to do this. I'm wasting time going to a pharmacy. Seriously, you never go to a pharmacy. Home delivery. Oh, I like how he has a way around it. So what do you get home delivered? Arey yaar. And apart from prescription. And really? You know, we're a population of 1.4 billion people, yet we're scared to say the word condom in public. Right? We should be saying it for the fuck of it. It's the need of the hour. Right? Just say it for no reason. Hi, kaisa hai condom? All good, condom. How's work, condom? How Mumbai? Condom. Just fucking say it. That's how badly we need it. Right? But here's the thing, right? This is how people buy condoms in India. They won't even say condom. They'll come up with different words that mean condom but won't say the word condom. Theli hai kya theli? Topi hai kya topi? Balloon hai kya balloon? Chhatri hai kya chhatri? I'm like, just fucking say condom. The condom companies are going out of their way for you. You know how many flavors there are on display? I'm always confused whether I'm at a pharmacy or fucking Baskin Robbins. Just walk in this apple, mango, guava, blueberry, strawberry, choco chips, coffee cream, mulberry, fucking amla, fucking just goes on. You know they have aloe vera flavored condoms. Get it home delivered, aloe vera flavored. You know how bitter aloe vera is? Then they have pan flavored condoms for better digestion, or I don't know what. But here's the thing, right? I saw this picture online of, I don't know if it's true or not, but a picture of sabudana flavored condom. I'm like, that's fucking genius. If that were true, all of Gujarat would be running around excited. Yeah! Now I can get blowjob during Upwas.